is the golden biscuit wheat crop, carefully sourced from these fields to bring you the very best.
As the sun sets, our teams in PPE mobilize the modern harvesters, ensuring every grain of biscuit wheat is rapidly threshed. The wheat is collected in the harvester tank. This high-quality grain is destined for biscuit production. As the last of the wheat cascades into the trolley, the tractor immediately moves off to the silos, minimizing downtime in the field. The transition from field to storage is a critical logistical step, ensuring the wheat is safely delivered to the silos. From the fields to the silos, the wheat must be carefully processed and bagged by hand before it can be shipped. Before milling, the biscuit wheat undergoes essential pre-processing storage, where workers manually level and inspect the grain for quality. The final sacks are loaded. Soon, this wheat will be on its way to the biscuit factory, ready for the next stage of production. Phase 1 complete. The harvest is secured, and the transport phase to the factory begins now.
This wheat transport is a critical link in the large-scale supply chain, ensuring raw ingredients reach the factory every morning.
Moving the harvest across the country, delivering the goods that keep us going.
Bound for the biscuit factory, this shipment of raw supplies travels steadily toward its destination. Passing through the toll plaza, the driver knows he is one step closer to his destination as the sun sets. In long-distance logistics ensure the stable delivery of essential goods, bridging the gap between producers and industry. The truck has arrived at the biscuit production zone to begin the next stage.
The delivery arrives just in time for the evening shift.
The guard inspects the documentation and the quality of the wheat sacks to ensure they meet our standards.
The shipment has arrived at the biscuit processing facility and is ready for unloading.
The raw intake zone is the first step in our production process. Here, the wheat is carefully using hand signals. The ground guide ensures the driver aligns the vehicle precisely with the dock. The hydraulic dock lock clamps onto the truck wheels, stabilizing the vehicle completely before unloading begins.
With the doors secured open, the crew gets to work, revealing the raw materials ready for processing. Upon arrival, quality wheat sacks are loaded directly onto the conveyor, initiating the raw intake flow into the facility. From the receiving area, the sacks move directly into the climate-controlled facility, ready for the milling process to begin. Precision. Seamless internal logistics define our operations, moving raw materials directly from intake to the cut. The sacks are precisely sliced, immediately transitioning the flow of grain into the hopper for processing. The entry phase concludes as the wheat moves into the cleaning system. The raw wheat enters the intake hopper and flows directly into the cleaning line, beginning the process of removing impurities before milling.
The rapid vibration effectively separates the dense stones and lighter chaff, ensuring only clean grains move on.
Utilizing powerful magnetic separation, we extract even the tiniest metal particles. Utilizing a powerful air channel, lighter husks and dust are efficiently removed, allowing only the clean grains to purchase. Utilizing specific gravity, the vibrating bowl separates the heavier, premium grains from corpulence. Here the wheat transitions to the washing stage. Controlled water sprays remove remaining dirt before it's in clashers. By blowing consistent warm air from below the perforated belt, we efficiently reduce the mortar use. Stage 1 quality check is complete. The clean grains now move to milling.
Inspected and approved, the wheat now enters the biscuit flour processing hopper, moving towards the rollers to begin milling.
The heavy steel rollers effectively crush the incoming wheat grains, transforming them into a coarse flour that harden. These additional rollers refine the flour texture to precise specifications, ensuring a consistently fine stir. The vibrating sifter efficiently separates the fine flour from the coarser particles, ensuring a consistent mix. Held in these large silos is the refined biscuit-grade flour, carefully stored before. With the exact measurement achieved, the flour is now ready for the mixing process to begin the dough stage. Precise amounts of sugar, water, and oil are dispensed into the flour to begin the blending process. The mixer's powerful rotation ensures all dry flour is absorbed, achieving a perfectly smooth consistency. With the core processing phase successfully concluded, the uniform dough now advances steadily toward the shaping rollers.
The shaping process begins as the uniform dough enters the heavy rolling machines for flattening.
The precision rollers ensure the dough thickness is perfectly even, creating a smooth surface that fries. The continuous dough sheet travels seamlessly along the conveyor, heading directly into the rotary cutter precisely stamps the dough sheet, creating uniform shapes with intricate embossed patterns ready for the next stage.
The excess dough is efficiently lifted and redirected to the reprocessing unit, while the clean biscuit shape.
The freshly cut biscuits align perfectly, ensuring even baking as they enter the oven tunnel. The rows of raw dough now enter the baking chamber, where the intense heat begins the transformation process. Controlled heat zones ensure even baking as they approach the exit.
With the transformation phase complete, the freshly baked biscuits now enter the crucial cooling stage.
Cooling automation system precisely controls airflow across multiple lanes, guaranteeing optimal product consistency and efficiency. Automated diverter arms distribute the biscuits evenly, synchronizing the lane division for a balanced processing flow toward. Utilizing advanced imaging technology, the system detects imperfections, instantly rejecting defective biscuits with precise.
Here, the automated stacking system gently funnels the biscuits into perfectly aligned piles before transferring them smoothly. Notice how the belts synchronize perfectly to merge the stacks into a single high-speed line, ensuring optimal flow. Here at the factory, every batch of biscuits passes through our advanced metal detection systems to ensure absolute product safety.
Precision technology ensures only perfect biscuits continue to the next stage. Seamlessly, the stacked biscuits are transferred, concluding the automation phase and entering final packaging.
We are now entering the finishing stage of the biscuit line, where the stacks are rapidly fed into the automated wrapping machines. Our high-speed mechanical feeders gently separate the stacks, guiding each biscuit precisely into the fractions. The food-grade plastic unwinds from the large rolls above, flowing smoothly into the mysteries. As the biscuits enter the flow wrap machine, clear plastic film is pulled tightly around them, and the feeders. Traceability is key. We stamp every pack with an expiry date and batch code before glass. High-speed inspection lights scan each individual pack, ensuring perfect sealing and alignment before multiple packs are grouped and sealed within the heat tunnel, creating durable retail bundles prepared for the labeling stage. The automated system precisely applies the branded labels, which are then immediately verified by high-speed scanners. Having passed the final quality checks, the packaged bundles proceed to the warehouse for storage. Welcome to the quality assurance stage. Here, samples are randomly selected for thorough laboratory analysis to ensure the highest standards. Here we verify packaging integrity with a pressure test, ensuring absolutely no air leakage. Visual inspection ensures every biscuit meets our strict standards for quality and consistency. Before proceeding, precise moisture levels guarantee the perfect crunch and consistency in the final product.
The analyzer determines the force required to snap the biscuit, guaranteeing that perfect crunch consumers expect.
Through precise chemical analysis, we verify the exact ratio of ingredients to ensure consistent quality. Rigorous testing ensures this batch meets our strict standards, ready for production. Following final quality approval, the batch proceeds directly to the main conveyor for storage.
Welcome to the final logistics stage, where our freshly approved biscuit bundles enter the storage zone for distribution.
The robotic palletizer precisely stacks the biscuit bundles onto wooden pallets, forming uniform layers designated for rollers.
The plastic film tightly secures the entire load for transport. Once wrapped, the pallet is moved from the conveyor and navigated through the aisles to its designated storage location.
Using the hydraulic lift, the pallets are placed high into the racks, maintaining the system organization of our fluids. Pallets are scanned and moved quickly to the loading bays. With the pallets secured tightly inside the trailer, the doors can now be closed, ready for transport.
And this is how modern factories produce biscuits from start to finish.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.